If you're seeing this message is for you. I'm posting this on December 1st, but if you're seeing it at any point in the month of December, then this reading's for you because I'm doing an energetic reading of the month of December. So with that being said, let's get to the message. Let's see what you need to hear for this month ahead. It's a big month because it's the last month of 2025, so we're going to be wrapping up a lot of energies before we bring in this new energy of 2026. Okay, let's begin. The first thing that I'm hearing, well, I'm not actually hearing it, I'm seeing it. I'm seeing a school bus. So it makes me feel like some of you guys are going to be, I feel like this is an analogy or a metaphor for learning. I feel like some of you guys, you're just about to get your, I just heard some of you guys are the teacher actually. So some of you guys know something very well and you're going to actually be teaching other people this thing. And I don't want you to think, it doesn't have to be too literal. Okay, I'm not saying you're going to go to college and become a teacher and teach people. Yes, that's true for some of you. Maybe some of you guys are literally graduating college this year to become a teacher. If that applies to you, then yes, that's what this means for you. But I feel like for some of you guys, it's something just that involves teaching. So perhaps you're going to be getting on social media and teaching people, from what you've learned. Perhaps you're teaching a friend or a spouse. Maybe you're, and this is just an example, but like I'm super into spirituality. I'm into tarot readings, I'm into mediumship. Maybe I'm going to be teaching someone those things. That's how it would apply for me. So maybe, think about what you're going through. What do you know very well? I think that that's going to be happening for you. And the month of December, we don't hit. No, we don't hit. No, I'll put it on the ground now. The month of December is going to be the month where it conjures up all this energy. So it's like Spirit's kind of like laying the groundwork for this to happen. So I think 2026 is going to be more of the year that like you really delve into this and really start teaching. And I feel like whoever you're teaching, they're going to be very receptive and they're going to really astonish you on how far they go with your teachings. But that's what it feels to me. Now, I do feel like you're starting to see these things happen and you're not even making it happen. The universe is putting these things in front of you to give you the opportunity to kind of lay the groundwork, okay? So pay attention to these synchronicities that are happening because you probably are like, wow, that was really weird. Like, how did that happen? But I feel like these situations are going to be coming for you. So pay attention to what the universe is showing you. I do think that you have very good energy when it comes to like teaching naturally. Like it comes to you naturally. Teaching, using your hands to heal. I think you'll be healing through your teachings as well. So yeah, it feels like something pretty big. Like this is a big thing that you're doing. This is not just something silly. Like this is like big work behind it. Your soul is going to love this work. You were meant to do this work and now everything's ready for it to happen. So, and then I just saw Jupiter. So check your birth chart and see where Jupiter is transiting because that will be the house that you're going to be teaching. Like whatever that house theme is, I feel like that's going to be where you're going to be teaching. So for example, if Jupiter is transiting your 7th house, perhaps you're going to be teaching people about how to have really good relationships. You know what I mean? So check that out. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.